Tools and fittings required: a mushroom fitting as supplied, a 4.2 x 25mm screw as supplied, a size 2 posi screwdriver, a 3.5mm drill bit, countersink drill bit, electrical drill, and a silicone based mastic. Firstly, you are going to need a 3.5mm drill bit and the electrical drill as shown. Then you are going to find where the mushroom fitting sits best in order to pull sufficient tension on the shock cord and canvas and drill a hole, making sure you only go through the outer layer of the GRP. Then you need to countersink that hole to reduce the risk of cracking and then clean the surface area around it. You will need to then go on and fill the hole with the silicone based mastic to seal the hole when screwed into. Then using the 4.2 x 25mm screw, screw the mushroom into place, ensuring that it is tightened all the way and secure in the GRP. And that is how you fit a Tecsew issue mushroom.